because it was that girl at my job that I don't like. And she said it, or it came in an email. I feel like or whatever it is. Yeah. And I heard this little story. This dude, little godly Christian churchy little boy, right? Little young dude, probably in his early 20s, I guess. I don't know. Always yapping. Oh man, I'm such a believer. So he goes out in the water, and his boat breaks apart. He's drowning, right? And there's some people, they get rescued, but they don't have enough space for everybody. He's like, y'all go ahead. I trust God. God's going to rescue me. We're good to go. Okay. Right? So, in a little bit, a piece of wood, something kind of floats by, and he lets it go. Mm-hmm. He's like, I don't need that wood. God's going to rescue me. I'm good to go. Then, after then, a dolphin comes by for him to hold on to, right? Because swimming around him, all that kind of stuff. He scares the dolphin away. Get away from me. No. I don't know if that could have been a shark. I don't know. God's going to rescue me. I ain't worrying about it. Then another person comes through with another boat. Like, hey, we saw you out here, me and my son. Do you want to get up here? He's like, no, you guys go ahead. God's going to rescue me. Like, he's going to do it himself. Like, I got faith. The Lord is going to, like, God is going to do something miraculous. I believe it. Time goes by, the boy drowns.
Obviously.
He gets to heaven. He's disappointed. He's like, Lord, like, I believe with my entire heart. Mm-hmm. Like, why didn't you come? God was like, I came 3 times, homie.
Yeah.
I came 3 times.
You wasn't paying attention.
I swear that happens to us every day. I swear that happens to me.
It does.
And it happened to me that day. Pay attention, son. I sent you to breakfast to meet with a dude, and you got it twisted. You thought you was there to talk business. I sent him for him to sit in front of you to tell you to chill out and trust the process in your life. You throw it away. Because it didn't come how you wanted it to come. Uh-huh. And then I send your other friend around, and you just so happen to listen to him, but what if I didn't? Like, what if I missed it?
Right.
And that just makes me humble, man. That, like, no matter how many books I write, no matter how many little phenomenal evolving podcasts I can come up with, I still know that I probably do that more than I'm aware. I probably miss as you say, the Most High sending me messages through people, through opportunities,
absolutely,
through articles, through magazines, whatever it is, because I'm too stuck on stupid. I got too much whatever, too much bravado, too much, I got whatever it is, too much college boy mentality, too smart for my own good, whatever it is, whatever you think, whatever I think it is. And I end up missing probably progress in my life, man. That keeps me humble.
As it should. Okay, y'all. Well, just remember, if you got